Before starting this video, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so you never miss any video of edits by DA. If you are born poor, it's not your mistake, but if you die poor, it's your mistake. I failed in some subjects in exam, but my friend passed in all. Now he is an engineer in Microsoft and I am the owner of Microsoft. I choose a lazy person to do a hard job. Because a lazy person will find an easy way to do it. Most people overestimate what they can do in 1 year and underestimate what they can do in 10 years. If you give people tools, and they use their natural abilities and their curiosity, they will develop things in ways that will surprise you very much beyond what you might have expected. I really had a lot of dreams when I was a kid, and I think a great deal of that grew out of the fact that I had a chance to read a lot. Computers are great because when you're working with them you get immediate results that let you know if your program works. It's feedback you don't get from many other things. When you have money in hand, only you forget who are you. But when you do not have any money in your hand, the whole world forget who you are. It's life. It's fine to celebrate success, but it is more important to heed the lessons of failure. I believe that if you show people the problems and you show them the solutions, they will be moved to act. Like almost everyone who uses email, I receive a ton of spam every day. Much of it offers to help me get out of debt or get rich quick. It would be funny if it weren't so exciting. Our success has really been based on partnerships from the very beginning. If geek means you're willing to study things, and if you think science and engineering matter, I plead guilty. If your culture doesn't like geeks, you are in real trouble. The world won't care about your self-esteem. The world will expect you to accomplish something before you feel good about yourself. I can understand wanting to have millions of dollars. There's a certain freedom, meaningful freedom, that comes with that. But once you get much beyond that, I have to tell you, it's the same hamburger. This is a fantastic time to be entering the business world, because business is going to change more in the next 10 years than it has in the last 50. If you can't make it good, at least make it look good.